Hello there, I'm Junaid and welcome back again to Xfinity. Today I will show you how to add end screen on YouTube videos 2021 in order to increase views and subscribers quickly. In this video I will share two easy methods to add end screen on YouTube videos. So let's start right now and make sure to watch this video till the end for your better understanding. Alright fellas, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome back again to Xfinity, and in this video I am going to show you how to put end screen on YouTube videos. So there are basically two ways to put end screen on your YouTube videos. The number one way is while you are uploading a video on YouTube. The number two way is once the video is uploaded, you can go to the YouTube Studio editor and place the end screens after uploading video on YouTube. All right. So first of all, we will see how we can place the end screens while uploading a video on YouTube, and then we will see how we can put the end screens after uploading a video. All right. So let us dive straight into the YouTube Studio. Alright fellas, so we are right inside the YouTube studio and here I'm going to upload a video. So for this purpose, I will click on this button and select my specific video that I want to upload. And once the video is up and running for the uploading, you need to wait. Once the video is uploaded and processed, then we can go to the video elements and place the end screens for our videos. All right, so we will wait for the video to be uploaded and processed, and then we will proceed. A reminder here, I have made a very special video on how to upload a video on YouTube if your channel is not monetized. But if your channel is monetized, then you need to watch this video at its first, because I have explained each and every step that you need to follow while uploading a video on YouTube if your channel is monetized. I have also made a video on how to create a thumbnail in Canva and upload it for more views, likes, and subscribers. All right. So make sure to watch all my recommended videos that I have shared in the description below or in the I button. So make sure to watch all these videos because it is very useful for you. And in my coming videos, I will also share how to gain views, likes, and subscribers effectively using some tools and that are free and very easy to use. All right. So now we will wait for this video to be uploaded and then we will uh, put the end screen inside our videos. Alright fellas, so now you can see our video has been uploaded, processed, and all the checks have been completed and no issues were found. Once your processing, uploading, and checks have been completed, you need to go to video elements. And after that, you will see an option here, add an end screen. Now you will see this option only if your video have the duration of at least 25 seconds. If your video falls below 25 seconds, you will not be able to add an end screen. So this is the first requirement, that you need at least 25 seconds duration of the video uh, to place or to put an end screen on your videos. All right. So we can see two options here. You can import from the videos. Now if you click on this option, this will create a template that you usually use on your videos. All right. So I can click on any of these templates, just like one video one video, one subscribe. It will contain a video here and a subscribe button here. You can also use a playlist along with a subscriber. You can use only two videos. You can use one video or one playlist, or you can use one video, one playlist, or one subscriber. These are all the templates. But today I'm not going to show you how we can use the template. Rather, I'm going to show you how you can customize your end screens. All right. So for this purpose, you need to go to add. And once you are right inside add, you will see end screen option here. So you need to click on this plus button, add element. And now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different options. You can promote your videos, you can promote your playlist, you can promote your channel, You can promote your others friends or colleagues channels, and you can also promote your link. But this there is some exception with the link, so I'm not going to cover this. So first of all, I will click on a video, and once I click on this video, you will see three different options. Most recent upload will contain a video inside this video element that you recently uploaded. Best for viewers will be automatically detected by the YouTube, that YouTube thinks it is best for your viewers. And the third option is choose a specific video. You can specify a specific video if you want to promote it inside another video. All right, so this is the end screen of a video, and you can adjust its size by dragging it up and down. All right, so this is the minimum size, and the maximum size is this one. All right, so I recommend to use a normal size and keep it anywhere you want. All right, so the next thing you can, and you can add another video. uh, you can add, I guess, up to 4 videos if you want to, if your the resolution of your screen is 1920 by 1080. As you can see, if you overlap these two video elements, it will give you a red sign or an error. Now if you accidentally use the video element here and you want to remove it, just select a specific video element and click on this delete element. It will be automatically deleted. All right, so this was the video, this was for the video. If you want to add a playlist, just click on the playlist and select any playlist that you have created. And the third option is subscribe. If you want to display the subscribe button at the end of your video, you can simply click and drag it to this position if you like it. That's very easy. And if you want to promote the channel of your friend, of your families, or you have any other channel that you want to promote, you can search it and place it here. All right, so this was the first thing. Now you know how to remove anything. Just click on this delete element by selecting an element and then click on delete. You can select 3 different options from here. Another thing, you can increase and decrease the duration of the end screen. The minimum duration is 5 seconds. You cannot go beyond 5 seconds, and the maximum is, I guess, 20 seconds. You cannot exceed the 20 seconds of this end screen. All right, now you can play around with that if you want to start this video and the subscribe button from this position, and then the video from this position. So this is very flexible and easy. You can use it and play around with that. All right, so this was the first thing that you can use, how to put an end screen if you are uploading a video, while you are uploading a video on YouTube. All right, now I'm going to show you, if you have already uploaded a video on YouTube and now you want to add an end screen on your videos. So that's very easy. I'm also going to show you how to do this. I will just click on this cancel. Now in order to put the end screen for already uploaded videos on YouTube, you just need to click on details, and then you need to go to, I guess, keep in the details section and go below, and then you need to click on end screen. As you can see here, if you click on this, you will be directly navigated to the end screen page, and here everything is same. If you want to add something, just click on this plus sign and add your specific video, playlist, subscribe button, channel or link, and then specify its duration. The maximum is 20 seconds and the minimum is 5 seconds, and then click on save, and now you have an end screen inside your videos, and it is very easy to use. And in my next video, I will show you how to increase the views, likes, subscribers, and engagement with your audience by using different free and amazing tools that will increase your audience range for your YouTube videos, and ultimately increase your views and subscribers. All right, so this is the extension of the Chrome that I will cover in my next video. So make sure to watch this video that I'm going to upload till the end, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notification at its first. So now that's it, and if you have any question or any query, you can comment down below, and you also need to follow me on the Instagram. If you have any query, follow me first, and then I will try my best to respond. And that's it. And if you have any question, please ping me. I will try my best to respond you. And thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself and your families. That's very important. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.